priming my face using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. And then I did some spot concealer using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sand. And then I set my eyebrows in place using the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. And moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna use my Lovecraft Beauty, bronzer? My bronzer palette. And I'm gonna go in with the shade Saniva, and I'm just gonna put this on my outer corner using my Crayon Case 04 brush. And as I apply it, I'm just blending it towards the front. And I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. blush in the shade Bright Pink, and I'm gonna use this as eyeshadow on my eyelid. And I'm applying that using my MOTD Flawless Finish brush. And now using my, Too Faced White Chocolate Chip palette, I'm gonna go in with this shade, what shade is this? The shade Pearl Candy. It's that sparkling white shade right there. And I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner using my Firma 403 brush. And now I'm gonna apply some rhinestones. Now that the rhinestones are on, I'm gonna curl my lashes. And I'm gonna do my lashes off camera. Okay, lashes are done. Now I'm gonna spray my face using the Morphe Mini Continuous Setting Mist. Oh wait, no. First I'm gonna do some concealer under my eyes. It's the same one that I use for spot concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 Sand. Okay, now I'm gonna blend that out using my Vasanti concealer buffer. And now moving on to the concealer under my eyes. Now for contour, I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer in the shade Golden Days. And I'm applying that with my MOTD brush, my Lightning Crew brush. And now I'm using my Lorella brush for nose contour. Now I'm going to set my face using this banana powder in the shade Medium. And I'm using my Model Pro BMX 265 Glow Brush to apply it. And I'm going to start by setting under the eyes. And then everywhere else I put concealer, I'm going to set as well. And for bronzer, I'm going in with my Item Bronzer in the shade Mood and my Firma 103 brush. And that same small Lorella brush for nose bronzer. And I'm gonna carve out that bronzer using that same banana powder. And then under my eyes, I'm gonna bake using the e.l.f. HD powder in the shade Soft Luminous. And I'm gonna do some blush. I'm using the Tarte blush in the shade Kirky, and I'm using my Smith's Glam SL42 brush to apply it. And now for lip liner, I'm using the NYX lip pencil in the shade Espresso. Next, I'm gonna dust off that powder, starting with the nose. Then I'm gonna do where I put my bronzer. And then last but not least, I'm gonna do under the eyes. And next I'm gonna set my face using the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. And while that dries, I'm gonna apply gloss. I'm using the e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss in the shade Praline. And I'm just gonna do a tiny bit of that. And next, in the center of my lips, I'm using the Dial 10 Lip Velvet in the shade Material Girl. And then to top that off, I'm using my Imperious Cosmetics Lip Glaze in the shade Corporate Hottie. I'm just gonna tap. And for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Crown of My Canopy, and then Smith's Glam, what is this, L36 brush. And then for nose highlight, I'm using my Smith's Glam E25 brush. I'm gonna do one last final spritz. This is the finished makeup look, and I love this so much. I haven't used eyeshadow in so long, let alone look like this with some color and rhinestones. But I hope you enjoyed watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one.